got a tartha. Don't move. There we go. There we go. Pull, pull, pull. There we go. We got it. So I was cutting, isn't that right, Nitos? And Ame and Bruno. I was cutting, and also I always cut for you guys. I cut what little leaves are left so they can feast. And then what's really sweet, I guess you could say, is I'm back here working, clearing things that I've cut, which is going to take days. And of course they want to come and check it out because they're curious. I'd love to say they want to be near me, but that probably is a bit too human. Instead, I'd say they're curious. They're not afraid of the chainsaw, that's for sure. Yeah, that's right. So I'm going to investigate once I decide I've moved enough of these branches. I don't really know what to do with them, except to plug holes where the wild boar has been coming in and wreaking its rooting habits on the pasture. So, this is appears one of the places they arrive. I'm assuming, I mean, these are all assumptions, as you've heard me complain and theorize about the wild boar, or jabalí, as we say in Spanish. I think they come from up and down through our pasture, if they can. And along the way, they dig and root and tear shit up. Make new bathtubs. And one defense, besides building fences that sometimes work, is to clear. They don't want to be in the open too long. So woodsy areas like this pasture that we're recovering, reclaiming, rehabilitating is full of willow trees because of the amount of water in the soil. Look, I mean, this is good. I can walk here because the roots protect me from sinking in too far. But most of the pasture is muddy now that it's fall and we've had a load of rain that has subsided. So we are clearing to get more grass to grow, of course, to hopefully alleviate some of the water soakage. What would you call it? I don't even know. The marshiness of the place by letting the sunshine in through these crazy willow trees who will grow sideways just to grab some light. They're very easy to cut when they're sideways. They fall one direction, down. These I haven't tried yet, but on the other side I was cutting just a little while ago and opening up. You can't really tell. Opening up some pasture here. This will be great. This one, I need help. I don't want to put the chainsaw over my head to cut this dead branch. But yeah, that's today's efforts.